During the modern period, the various happenings in Europe had its impact on India. Therefore, while studying the period of modern Indian history, we have to study the events happening in Europe during this period. Period of Renaissance. In history of Europe, the last phase of medieval period, that is 13th to 16th century, is known as the period of Renaissance. During this period, Reformation, religious reform movement and geographical discoveries laid the foundation of the modern era. Hence, this period is also known as the Age of Renaissance. During this period, in the field of art, architecture, philosophy, etc., there was a revival of Greek and Roman tradition which gave momentum to an overall development. Renaissance, humanitarianism was given great impetus. There was a change in the outlook of treating each other as a human being. Instead of religion, man became center point of all ideologies. The reform movement spread throughout all sectors of human life. Through knowledge, science as well as different sections of art, we can observe the discoveries of reform movement. The art and literature of Renaissance period depict sentiments and emotions of human beings. Literature was produced in local language for better understanding to the common people. In 1450 AD, Johannes Gutenberg from Germany discovered the printing press. Due to this discoveries, new ideas, concepts and knowledge reached to all sections of society.